Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenAI API, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with the OpenAI API, start by visiting the OpenAI website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will need to provide a valid email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Fill in any required personal information as prompted. After completing the form, submit your registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from OpenAI. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the OpenAI website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the API section in your account dashboard. Look for the option to generate an API key. Click on it to create your unique API key. Make sure to store this key in a secure location. Read and agree to any terms of use or guidelines presented. Now that you have your API key, you can start integrating OpenAI into your projects. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation for best practices. This will help you understand how to make requests and handle responses. With your account set up and the API key in hand, you're ready to explore the capabilities of the OpenAI API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.